Have you ever stared at your Betterment account, itching to invest, but worried about that transfer limbo? Yeah, we've all been there. You finally decide to take the plunge and boost your portfolio, but then a nagging question pops up: how long will it take for that money to actually hit my Betterment account? Fear not, fellow investor in the making. This video will be your one-stop shop for understanding Betterment transfer times. We'll break down the different scenarios, from internal Betterment transfers to those coming in from your external bank account, so you can plan your investing strategy with confidence. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, a quick heads up: there are two main factors that influence Betterment transfer times. First, where the transfer originates from, your Betterment account itself, or your external bank account. Second, the type of transfer, a standard ACH transfer or a same-day transfer, which, as the name suggests, sounds pretty speedy. Alright, with that foundation laid, let's get into the specifics. Scenario 1. Transferring from your checking or savings account to Betterment. This is the most common scenario, and luckily, it's a fairly straightforward process. If you initiate the transfer directly within your Betterment account, pulling funds from a linked bank account, the money will typically be available in your Betterment account by the following business day, as long as you initiate the transfer before 4 p.m. Eastern Time. However, there's a small catch. The funds might show up as pending for an additional 4 to 5 business days. Don't panic. This is just Betterment's way of double-checking everything before making the funds fully available for investing. Scenario 2. Transferring from another bank to Betterment. If you're initiating the transfer from your external bank side, things might take a tad longer. In this case, you can expect the funds to be available in your Betterment account within 1 to 2 business days. Faster is always better, right? Enter same-day transfers. Betterment offers a nifty feature called same-day transfers. Now, this option isn't available for everything, but it can be a lifesaver if you need that cash in your Betterment account ASAP. Here's the deal with same-day transfers: they allow you to move funds between your Betterment checking account and your cash reserve or cash goal accounts on the same day, up to a daily limit. Think of it like an instant transfer within the Betterment ecosystem. Important things to remember about same-day transfers. There's a minimum transfer amount of $10. That daily transferred limit we mentioned? It applies here too, and Betterment can change it at any time. Same-day transfers only work for moving money between your Betterment accounts. Transfers to external accounts will still follow the standard 1 to 3 business day time frame. So, what if my transfer seems to be taking longer than expected? There are a few reasons why a transfer might take a bit longer than usual. Here are a couple of common culprits. Large transfers: if you're moving a significant amount of money, Betterment might take some extra time to verify everything. Recent deposits: if you recently deposited funds into your Betterment account, especially a large sum, there might be a waiting period before you can transfer those funds out. This is just another security measure by Betterment. If you're ever unsure about a transfer or its status, the best course of action is to reach out to Betterment's customer support team. They'll be happy to help you troubleshoot and get things moving smoothly. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how long Betterment transfers typically take. Remember, the key factors are the transfer origin and type. With a little planning and this handy guide in your back pocket, those transfers will feel like a seamless part of your investing journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.